Good morning, guys. It's morning for me. It's about 10:30 and it is the second day of this morning freeze weather. I woke up this morning and it said it was 26 degrees outside. So cold. I haven't been outside yet, but I could feel the cold air coming in. I am making me a morning drink. I already started the laundry. I just made a list last night of things that I wanted to do inside. Today, my girls actually have a tumbling class, and so we'll be leaving around 4 o'clock. And so I just have things that I want to get done. I want to make dinner before I leave. So I thawed out some chicken legs yesterday night, but they're still frozen. So I have them just sitting on the counter. I'm going to drink my drink. I've been drinking this collagen every morning. If I am going to drink coffee or espresso, I add it to my espresso, but I've only done that like once this week. So what I've normally been doing is adding this prebiotic fiber supplement, this psyllium husk, and then also this fruit and vegetable. They're both berry, and so it doesn't change the flavor, but it just gives me a boost of energy, and I don't get that morning, or that not morning, that afternoon sluggish feeling. So yeah, I just add a scoop of each one of this into a cup, and I'm gonna fill it with water and a little ice, and then I just drink it right away. This is a 16 ounce container. Y'all, we have like 3 or 4 flies in the house, so they just come in. I don't remember the last time we've had flies. We had some gnats in the summer, and now these flies are literally driving me mad. We don't have any fly swatters, and so I've been trying to hit them with a shirt. You definitely have to be in the mood for berry flavor. Sometimes I'm not, and so sometimes I don't do the fiber or the vegetable powder, and that's why I just have it, my collagen in my espresso. I'm still so cold. This will be my first time getting up. This is why I struggle in the summer when I tell you guys that I'm not a morning person, is because 10-11 o'clock is when I'm usually trying to get up and do something, and 10-11 o'clock in the summertime is not an okay time to go outside. It's when the sun had already been up and it's peaking and it's just death outside. By the time you get anything done, it's super, super hot. But I've been at least waking up early, even if I don't like get going and get out of my room. So we'll just spend the day together before I leave and see how much we get done. I just whipped up this batch of sourdough chocolate chip cookies because I had to use my sourdough starter or discard it. And it said that I should chill the cookie dough in the refrigerator for 2 to 24 hours, but I don't want to. And so I'm just going to go ahead and bake it up, because I had found this recipe last night when I was thinking about what I can do to use my sourdough, and I didn't read the instructions fully. I just read the ingredients to make sure I had all of them, and so I didn't know that it said to let this chill, and I had no plan on putting this in my refrigerator. One of the things I want to do today is actually clean out my refrigerator. I know you guys will be watching this on Christmas Eve, so happy holidays to all of you guys. Baking these to have very festive. What do you guys eat on Christmas morning, or for breakfast or lunch? Do you guys have any traditions? This says it's supposed to make 12 cookies, but that's already 2, 4, 5. I'm already at like, this is my 6th one. I think it's gonna make more than 12. We'll see. I'm telling you guys, I'm so like I'm enjoying not having anything to do, but at the same time, I can't wait to get back into the garden and start planning, or keep planning. I'm already planning. Have you guys started planning your gardens already, or do you wait until after all of the holidays and wait till the new year? On my last video, I talked to you guys a little bit about the no spend challenge, the 3 Rivers Pantry Challenge, and I told you that, you know, last year I did it. I recorded my weekly what to eat and what we ate in a week during the month of January. I plan on doing that again. My goal with this challenge is to use up a lot of the freezer things that we have, a lot of the freeze dried things that we have, a lot of those canned goods, like the barbecue sauce, the peach barbecue sauce I made, and the peach, what is it called? The peach jalapeno jam I made. Yeah, stuff like that. To prepare for this next spring and summer, because it is that time. We bred our rabbits a few days ago, and so they'll be we'll be doing meat rabbits again. We took a break during the summer and fall, really, and so now we're just getting back into that. We'll be hatching some of our American breast chickens, as well as some of our other chickens, and probably just raising those ourselves for meat chickens. We may still do like just one batch of the meat chickens, like of like 25, but definitely not a lot. I just redid my sourdough and I've been sitting it here. The next thing that I want to do is drain my kombucha. Which one is it? You guys totally missed it. I didn't even think about recording it. I second fermented my kombucha too long the last time I made it. And so I had them in these jars and I kind of forgot about it. And when I went to open it, it completely like exploded up and like, you know, like you shook a drink really, really hard and went everywhere. And so instead of the 4 jars that I started with, I only ended up with 2. It was really, really crazy. I'm probably gonna have to do this down low, because I'm gonna pour straight from, I'm gonna do this down low. Something in me always assumes that I can do that without making a mess, and it never goes correctly. Nehemiah's cleaning the floor right now. So I'm starting with mandarins in each jar, because that's what we had as a fruit in our refrigerator. And I looked up some different flavors. I do have a book of kombucha flavors, but it was on the shelf and I didn't feel like getting it since I was standing right here. Lazy, I know. So one of the flavors I want to do is orange creamsicle flavor, and so, or tangerine creamsicle, and so it called for mandarins and vanilla. Another one was mandarin and cinnamon. Another one was mandarin and ginger. So I'm going to make those 3 flavors. And then the 4th one, I'm just going to leave it with straight mandarin, and then we'll taste all of them and see which one we like the best. Last time we did kiwi honey and kiwi ginger. And I think the kiwi honey, did you like the kiwi honey better? Yeah, we like the kiwi honey better. In order to refill my kombucha with tea, I just have 10 tea bags, like 8 to 10 tea bags in here with water. And you're not supposed to put hot water straight inside this kombucha. And so I'm going to fill it halfway up with cold water. and so that way when I add in the hot water, it will not make it. It will be like room temperature. Right now it's kind of really freezing. I wonder if I misread that directions, because I could have sworn they said it was going to do 12 cookies, but that's for a 12, 16, 20, 22 cookies, so almost 2 dozen. And I don't remember, I did not double that recipe because I didn't think I had enough sourdough starter. So that's interesting.
Can I taste it?
Taste what?
The cookies.
No, not yet. It's not ready. So I'm supposed to be making this rice and chicken thigh one pot recipe, but I didn't have any chicken thighs, so I'm using leg, and all of my rice and chicken can't fit inside of this pot. I had to look at that recipe. I saw this on Mindy Mom. If you guys follow her, let me know down in the comments. I like to follow food YouTube channels and cooking YouTube channels because it gives me inspiration, because I'm always feeling like I'm out of inspiration when it comes time to cooking. And I saw this one last night and figured I would make it today. I'm supposed to be searing the chicken for 10 to 13 minutes, and there was other things you could add, like onions, carrots, celery. I do have some chopped onions from my garden that I froze, and I am going to be sauteing some of the onions, but instead of all those other vegetables, because my kids do not like chopped carrots or cooked carrots, I am going to actually, and I have whole carrots, so if they want to eat raw carrots, they can. I'm actually going to be adding this bag of rice cauliflower. So, true story, we were vegan for a while. We went vegetarian for a while. We've done no grain for a period of time. And all of those times we couldn't eat, well, not gluten-free, but grain-free, and like the paleo diet, we couldn't eat grains. And so we used to eat a lot of rice cauliflower, to the point where now my kids are older, they still remember the rice cauliflower, and they don't really care for cauliflower or rice cauliflower. And so I hide it in things. I hide it in things like chili, and then today I'm gonna put it in this rice and chicken recipe and see if that helps, if they think if it's fine. I won't tell them that it's in there, but we'll see if any of them notice. It's now 12:30. No, it's not. It's 12:08. So I still haven't. I made the dinner. I made the cookies. Did my kombucha. I just want to. Wow, that one had so much chocolate. That one had so much chocolate chips at the bottom. There's still some chocolate at the bottom of the pan. That's really good. I can taste a little bit of the sourdough, but it has crispy edges and the inside is so soft. I think I'll keep this recipe for when we're in the month of January, if I want a soft, chewy cookie. This is delicious. Wow. The last thing on my list is to clean the refrigerator. Let me finish eating this. It's actually probably an hour later. My kids and I, for the past 3 days, have been taking a jog / walk outside and doing a little mini exercise. So we just got back in, got some water, and now I'm enlisting the help of my children. So my son's washing the dishes, and my girls are, you could put that probably in the pig bowl. And then my girls are taking everything out of the refrigerator. and we're just going to go through and see if there's anything that we can give to the pigs. Every week or so I've been going in my refrigerator and seeing if there's anything we missed, and we have like a pig bowl and we just give all of the, you know, mushy fruit and stuff like that to the pigs. But this time I'm taking everything out because some jars of like jelly and peanut butter and stuff like that have spilled, and so we're just going to go through and take everything out, and then my girl's going to be washing the containers out in the bathroom, in the tub, and I'm going to be looking through and seeing if there's anything that we can throw away. So I don't know how good this is going to show up on camera, but I'm going to start at the door of the refrigerator. The refrigerator is really disgusting. I got distracted. We have all of the doors, all of the containers out, everything on the table, and me and Nehemiah are going to start working on cleaning out the refrigerator. Say hi. Hi. Cleaning this fridge was something that I've been avoiding doing. It's something that I knew that I should do, and I saw all the sticky jam and jelly and stuff like that, and I've been kind of like putting it off, but I decided with the holidays coming up and the new year that I shouldn't put it off any longer, especially with the pantry challenge coming up, that I should start with a fresh fridge and a clean slate. And so after we got it done, I'm really happy we got it done, but we had a hard time trying to put back in these the brackets and the refrigerator parts. We have finished cleaning the refrigerator and putting everything back in. Let me show you. It looks much more empty now that we have everything. Now that we took out sauces that we weren't using or that was expired or going to expire, we gave everything to the pigs, and our dinner is also ready. I did put this on broil to just brown it up a little bit. So I'm really happy about this. So dinner's done. It smells really delicious. After all that, it is about 3 o'clock. It's 2:54, so I'm going to rest for the next hour before we have to leave. I'm actually even thinking about letting my son drive the girls to their practice. I forgot that everything that he is doing is on break for Christmas, and so I actually have an extra driver in the house, so I might just end up staying home and resting the rest of the day and let my son take my girls to their class, and then just catch them in a couple hours, have me some quiet time. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me while we got some baking done, we cleaned, we cooked dinner, and made a mess with kombucha. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.